to Research Rocks. Today we will see one more product unboxing, and that product name is Canon M50 Mark II. Just yesterday I buy this product around 700 euro, located on Copenhagen, Denmark. So which types of product inside we will see as a demo, as well as I'll provide you some pictures and videos also end of the video, capturing from this camera. So here top of the box magic booklet is there, and yeah, it's so big booklet, so using this booklet you can understand properly. Look at this inside the box, one cable, remove everything first of all. Battery, the lens. Now box is empty. So here is the lens, around 15 to 45 mm.
यहाँ पर रख, इसके ज़्यादा ये दिख रहा है।
This is the proper body of the camera. Here is the battery. Using this one, the belt, cable to fix out the charging adapter, and here is the charging adapter. Yeah. So this is a Canon M50 Mark II. Now I just fix out here. It's good. Both size is available. Even this one also. Now we'll fix out here. It's very simple. The lens is lockable. Facilities are available here. For the remove, it's very simple and fix also. For this logging point of view, you just simply press up and then scroll down, and now here is a lock. Again up and then fix out here. So here is a screen, the entire 160, the entire round, 360. First of all, battery and memory card. So now I already buy the 64GB memory card, and now I fix out here. So it's very simple to put it here. It's very simple like this. Now I put it here. Battery, it's properly measured to this one, the location inside and here, so you can fix out here properly. So the battery is going to fix properly. Don't too much pressure here, and just simply fix out here. Now it's fixed. Now I just simply on the camera, simply on here. Your entire process is on. Wow! So basically we can time set here the screen touch, located on time zone also. So look at this here. I fix out everything properly. Now my face is going on here. Using this one, look at this here, face detection is going on. I'm putting here a couple of video frames as well as images also, so that one is quite amazing. I can see my face, so video is going very amazing. So this is a simple unboxing and review video about M50 Mark II. If you really like this unboxing and review video regarding the M50 Mark II, so please hit the bell icon and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. We will meet upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.